Step 3. Sharpen the ends. The outer edge of the grinding wheel is the only part of the wheel that is used to sharpen. It is critical that this edge be sharp. See your user manual to learn about dressing the wheel. When sharpening the ends, set the index collar for the number of flutes on your end mill. With the motor off, move the stylus pin out of the path of the wheel. Loosen the index collar, slide forward on the spindle, and rotate until the index pin drops in one of the holes marked with the appropriate number of flutes, for example 2, if your end mill has 2 flutes. Now move the spindle forward, leaving the pin engaged, so that the outside corner of the wheel can grind the end of the end mill. Turn the spindle to position the cutting edge so that they are horizontal. To secure this position, tighten the locking knob on the indexing collar. Turn on the motor and, using both the feed and cross-feed knobs, move the wheel toward the end mill until it lightly touches the end. Sharpen the primary angle by using the feed knob to feed the wheel across the end mill with a slow, even motion until the edge of the wheel reaches the center. Reverse the feed knob to move the wheel to the outer edge. Pull up the index pin and rotate the spindle to the next hole marked with the appropriate number of flutes and sharpen that flute end. Sharpen as before and repeat until all flutes have been sharpened. Sharpen the secondary clearance angle only when the primary cutting edge has become too wide. Loosen the spindle knob and move the spindle lever to the right so the spindle is in its lowest position. Sharpen the secondary clearance angles on the end with the same procedure used to sharpen the primary cutting edges.